Most new launch decisions are not made with bad intent. They are made with incomplete information that feels complete in the moment. और सबसे बड़ा इशू क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन स्ट्रक्चर्ड लगती है, कॉन्फिडेंस जल्दी बिल्ड हो जाता है, लेकिन मार्केट अभी फुल्ली रिवील नहीं हुआ होता. सो व्हाई डज दिस हैपन्स? रीज़न वन, information is controlled, not yet market tested. At launch stage, what you see is a prepared narrative. Layouts are ready, communication is sharp, positioning is clear, but demand depth is still forming. You do not yet know who the real buyers are. You do not yet know their holding intent. You do not yet know how absorption behaves after initial excitement. जो presentation है वो immediate होती है, market validation gradual होता है. Reason 2, information is released in stages. In new launches, clarity does not arrive all at once. Inventory blocks open gradually, buyer response builds gradually, market feedback becomes visible gradually. But decisions are often taken in stage 1, while clarity matures in stage 3. यहाँ sequencing का gap create होता है. Decision early हो जाता है, understanding late आती है. Reason 3, psychological acceleration compresses thinking. Launch environments are fast by design. Energy high होती है, communication intense होता है, time perception shorten हो जाता है. और जब environment fast हो तो thinking naturally slow नहीं रह पाती. Incomplete information dangerous तब बनता है जब decision speed उससे ज़्यादा fast हो. Now let's talk about control. People assume entry timing is everything, or brand strength guarantees stability, or early participation equals advantage. These matter, but what matters more than people think is demand composition. Who is buying? For how long? With what exit expectations? What matters more than assumed is how the project behaves after the first wave settles. और क्या मैटर काम करता है? लॉन्च डे नॉइज, टेम्परेरी विजिबिलिटी, शॉर्ट टर्म बज. बज वैलिडेशन नहीं होता, नॉइज लिक्विडिटी नहीं होती. कंट्रोल इज लॉस्ट व्हेन एलोकेशन एक्साइटमेंट ओवरराइड्स स्ट्रक्चरल क्लैरिटी. कंट्रोल इज लॉस्ट व्हेन मोमेंटम रिप्लेसेस इंटरप्रिटेशन. और सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रोल तब चला जाता है जब बायर को लगता है कि सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल चुकी है, जबकि मार्केट अभी इवॉल्व हो रहा होता है. This matters for people allocating serious capital, for buyers who care about liquidity cycles, for those who think beyond possession timelines, for those making decisions from distance. But if someone is buying purely for self-use with long-term comfort and no exit sensitivity, then this layer may not feel critical. So what is the solution? Slow the decision speed. Let the first absorption waves settle. Let buyer profile become visible. Let early behavior reveal structure. Clarity brochure से नहीं आती, clarity market behavior से आती है. New launches are not the problem. Fast decisions in partially formed market create avoidable uncertainty. Confidence को validation के साथ align कीजिए. जब clarity और timing align हो जाते हैं, decision naturally stable हो जाता है. Thanks for listening.